Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm going to be doing three, maybe 2 or 3 ornaments. We'll see how many we can get done. So I'm going to start off. I already have poured these ornaments and you'll see that in another video. And I will link that video up top. So let me get right to it. I already poured these using Let's Resin, Black Epoxy resin. And I'm going to finish them off using some UV resin, and I'm going to be using Yeiho UV resin, and this is clear hard type. That's what I'm going to be using here today. And we're going to be using the Let's Resin Advanced. Now, I had these things in my stash. This is a beautiful angel cameo, and I'm going to be putting it on this. Now, this was done with Boastful and Egotistical stuck-up Piggies, and this one has a little bit of frost in the middle here, as you can see. Now this is from my stash, and I'm going to put that right on. And isn't she a beautiful angel? That's going to make for some gorgeous Victorian style ornament. Now this here, this is 2 stickers, and this is this is Southland's Realm series. Flowers and letters, although this might have been, no, that's not flower. Well, yes, this was the flowers part. That's where I got that one from. And the other one may have been from the fairies series. And that's from Southlands also, and that's the fairy series. That's where I got that little fairy from. And I thought this little flower would be nice. Now I'm just going to cut this. I just want that little piece. And I'm going to cut this. And that'll fit perfect right in there. I'm going to use some cut glass in here. And we're going to also use some diamond clear You're So Fine glitter. And who knows, we might be using some other things also. We never want to put too much of this glitter in, because that just overpowers it, and we don't want to overpower. Just glue down my pieces. gonna take my glove off to get this sticker, because these are a little hard to get out. Forget about cutting it away. Let me just get her down.
The first Noel.
Okay, that's on straight. And that's on. Both on. Okay, let's get a little bit of, not too much. A little bit of this white, hollow, chunky. Glitter in there. And I think we're going to use some blue crushed glass into this. And this was from Michael's. Now these pieces are way too big, so I'm just going to be careful in what I put in. I'm not going to pour straight from the jar.
They looked up and saw a star shining in the east, beyond them far, and to the earth it gave great light, and so it continued both day and night. Noel, 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 Noel. Born is the King of Israel. Born is the King. Born is the King. Born is the King of Israel. Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Come to Bethlehem and see. see stay. See him in a manger laid, Jesus, Lord of heaven and earth. Mary, Joseph, lend your aid. Sing with us our Savior's birth. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah.
I am so happy with these ornaments. They have so far exceeded my expectations, I have to tell you. Look at that sparkle. Look at that shine. Look at that beautiful fairy in there. And how about this one? Just a small little tiny piece from that long piece of lace. And how about this? She was just sitting in a drawer. Beautiful. Now, let's take it one little step further. And with a little extra piece of that lace, let's make a hanger. Let's hang this beautiful ornament with something absolutely stunning. Look at that. I don't even think that's worth, that was a penny, that little piece of lace. And here we go. Just gonna put that there. I'm gonna put a drop of resin, of that UV resin on there, and attach it. And then I will attach that to a little ornament hanger that I have. And that is going to be gorgeous on the tree. Wow. What a hanger that's going to make. See how simple it is? How easy. Amazing. So that's that little ornament for 2 minutes. And now this one, I'm just taking that extra little piece of this little roll that I have, and I've been using it for years. And we'll just loop that through onto that ornament. And look how pretty that is. Whenever you're in Michael's or in Joann's or one of those little craft stores and you see a roll just sitting there for $1 or $2, pick it up. Of course, you'll be using it for years. Now, look at this. I had to take it outside. How beautiful did that come? With such little effort. I'm really excited. I love the way these ornaments came. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm so excited. I want to know what you like the best. Or maybe you liked all of them. I know I can't decide on this one. Look at that ribbon that I had. Merry Christmas. Look at that. Look at that fairy. Touching that flower. Oh. And that's going to hang. Merry Christmas. On the tree. That is going to look gorgeous. Look how pretty she is. A little bit of cut glass. Absolutely stunning. Those stuck-up piggies. Boy, are they absolutely stunning. There it is on my tree. Be sure to take a look at how that tree went up. I'll leave a little link in my description too. Look how pretty they look. Oh, and that angel. Gorgeous. No time for chopping down trees in this house. Oh no. It's a quicker tree all the way. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Put up that tree. That's how we go. Subscribe now. You're not going to want to miss any.